The chief engineer on a ship is responsible for overseeing all operations and maintenance related to the vessel's machinery and engineering systems. Below are the key duties and responsibilities. Administrative duties. 1. Leadership, head of the engine department, managing the engineering team. 2. Documentation, maintain records of engine operations, maintenance, and inventory. 3. Compliance, ensure compliance with maritime laws, safety regulations, and pollution prevention measures. 4. Training, mentor and train junior engineers and crew members. 5. Coordination, collaborate with the master of the ship to ensure smooth vessel operations. Operational duties. 1. Machinery management, oversee the operation and maintenance of main engines, auxiliary engines, and all other equipment. 2. Fuel management, monitor and manage fuel consumption and bunkering. 3. Power systems, ensure the smooth functioning of power generation and distribution systems. 4. Troubleshooting, diagnose and repair machinery malfunctions and system failures. Safety and emergency preparedness. 1. Emergency response, prepare for and respond to engine room fires, flooding, or machinery failures. 2. Safety checks, conduct regular safety drills and inspections in the engine room. 3. Pollution control, ensure compliance with MARPOL and other pollution prevention protocols. Maintenance duties. 1. Planned maintenance, develop and implement a planned maintenance system PMS for all equipment. 2. Repairs, supervise repairs during voyages and port stays. 3. Spare parts, manage spare parts inventory and procurement. Key responsibilities in port. 1. Inspection, participate in inspections by port authorities or surveyors. 2. Communication, report machinery status to shipping company and authorities. 3. Preparation for departure, ensure all systems are operational for the next voyage. The chief engineer plays a critical role in ensuring the ship's efficiency, safety, and compliance with international maritime standards.